Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on the application of Bumble. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Bumble app. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then in this page you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.